Right, we have a few more rainy days coming up. Yesterday was 33, today is a top of 16 with rain, and tomorrow is about similar. So I thought it's another good chance for us to check our solar system. Now the panels at the moment are dirty and dusty. We did have a little bit of rain last night, so I hope that washed them off, but we do have to get up there at the moment and clean those panels off. But we were fully charged last night at the end of the day at sunset. But let's have a look at where we're at this morning, and then we can track this over the next few days of bad weather and see how we go solar wise. Okay, so we'll just get back to battery. So 53.24 volts this morning. We're 9:30 a.m. on the first day of bad weather. Battery is pretty full. 53.4 is about 95%, I think. At the moment we are just putting in 220 watts of solar. It is charging. If you can see here, we are actually charging. Solar's on, inverter's on, and we are making more charge than I'm using. We've already yielded 0.1 kilowatts today. Yesterday we collected 5.3 kilowatts. And we're currently putting out 126 watts of power. At the moment I have the fridge is running, the coffee machine is turned on, I'm about to make coffee, and I've got an inside light on and my computer's on. So that's what's using that at the moment. And we're discharging at 1.2 amps. But we are charging. So solar, invert, charge. We've got a couple of days of bad weather. Let's see where we end up. Right, it's 24 hours into our bad weather. Oh, I got moisturiser on my face. And I'm judging the solar. Now, I worked until 10:30 last night, so I didn't make a video when I got home. But it was on 52.65, which is about 65 to 70% in the batteries, and it is 8 o'clock in the morning, so let's have a look at what it is now. Where are we? First thing to notice is solar, inverter, and charging. So we are charging, and we're currently using 159, 160 watts. Now yesterday I used the coffee machine, the microwave, the air fryer, I had lights on, I had the computer on, chargers on, had the whole lot going yesterday. We are currently at 52.6, so again that's about that 65%. That's where we're starting the day at. We've got 201 watts coming in at the moment. As I said, my panels are a bit dirty before that rain, and I do have to get up and clean them off. Today we've yielded 0.2 kilowatts, and yesterday we only yielded 2.3 kilowatts. So the day before was 5.8, just to give you an idea of how much a really rainy overcast days do affect. It kind of halves our input. And there we are, back to the start, using 165 watts at the moment. What have I got on? Lights and the computer and the coffee machine. Well, that's update part 2, and we'll check it again this afternoon. The sun is out this morning, but we are expected to have a lot more rain today, so we'll see how we go. Okay, we are at the end of our second day of rain, and I've been using the microwave and the air fryer and the computer and all the goodies. You can see today we yielded 3.2, and yesterday only 2.5, so a little bit more than yesterday, but still not the 5 or 6 we usually get. Currently only putting in 50 watts of solar, which is practically nothing. It is 6 p.m. in the evening. Battery is 50%. 52.2 is 50%. Currently discharging at 6.4 amps. I don't know what that is. I've got one light on, the computer on, and the fridge. Maybe the fridge is running at the moment. I was just in there getting something out for dinner, so yeah, 350 watts out, which is high for what I've got on, but maybe the fridge is running. And that's that. So we're at 50% on the second day of bad weather. But yeah, yesterday 2.3 kilowatts, today 3.2 kilowatts. Usually we produce between 5 and 8 kilowatts average day. Last solar update for this bad weather period. The sun is shining this morning. It's 9 AM. I do have the washing machine on. We have 1,050 watts coming in. We've already yielded 1.3 kilowatts. Yesterday we only yielded 3.2 all day. We got 407 watts is fluctuating. I do have the washing machine going. That's what we're bouncing at the moment too. Yeah, discharging at 12.1 amps. 53.4 in the battery already by 9 o'clock. So that's getting up to full. That's like 85%, 90%. As you can see, solar, invert, and the important one, charging, even though the washing machine's going flat out, and that's why the video's vibrating. We are still putting in more solar than I'm using at the moment. So nice to see after a couple of days of average weather, we only need that couple of hours of sun in the morning and we're back on track.